You know what? Fuck it. I'm not doing the intro. We got together today playing with some RCs.
Hell yeah. I got another new one.
I just keep burning tires up. I gotta figure it out.
Here we go. We picked up the new Axial Can-Am Yeti Junior. All stock, used, brushless, or brushed, excuse me. It will be brushless because it is all stock.
It's actually really cool. A couple parts that definitely need to be replaced. The drive shafts we noticed in the rear is plastic. So that's a little different. That's something we're going to have to look into. But we think the sc10 drive shafts are going to fit in there. So we're going to try that. And then see how it goes, really. We're all kind of excited. We're hoping that the scale to this truck will be about the same as our other Jeep. So it'll look cool, right?
I think it is pretty close. Even though it's an 18th scale and our trucks are 10th scale, I think they're a pretty good match.
So trailer behind the Jeeps will look pretty cool.
Yeah.
Can't wait. What you got, Kyle?
I grabbed 4 sets of tires because I put a Playin system with a 3S battery and I can't drive on concrete. I just eat tires. Just eats them right out. These tires look like that about 6 hours ago. It's crazy. It's stupid.
Well, make sure you guys check out the channel, like, subscribe, and share. We're going to do a little bit of bashing, a little bit of break-in, playing with these trucks today. Thank you guys for watching. Fuck, man.
Oh, shit. God damn it.
It's definitely capable.
God damn it.
And these lockers.
Yeah. If it had lockers, it'd be way better.
Yeah.
There we go.
You ain't getting over on your. Hey, you ain't getting over on your wheels. Oh shit! That green looks so good on camera.
The battery's going dead already.
Slow, Johnny. Oh, really?
They're flat now.
They're fucking flat. Gonna blow them off, Kyle?
Eating tires. Gonna do it. And the tires are still holding together somehow.